Ever wonder how a car can get in this condition, and this being a luxury car, a Mercedes AMG? Well, I don't know how it got here, but I do know how I turned it around and made it into a brand new car. So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for today I have this Mercedes AMG that is here for interior detail because it was raining that day. So interior detail was the job for the day, and I can say that this was a luxury disaster. For all the tools and the products that I'm using in this detail are listed in the description down below, just like this pet tool that I'm using here. And guys, this is one of the best tools to have in your detailing arsenal because this gets the job done really fast. If you have pet in your car, this will get all the hair out. So one tip that I give for having carpets that are full of pet hair, what you can do is vacuum as best as possible, and after that you can use a steamer or you can spray all-purpose cleaner on it and let it dwell for like few seconds or few minutes. Give it some time, and this will loosen all the dirt and the embedded hair that get into the fibers of the carpet. After this, vacuum again, and this will make a huge difference, as you can see in this trunk carpet. And guys, all the pet hair just comes off. This area was the most filthiest part of the car because there was so much food stuck in here, and I think there was some spilled drink, and even in the bottom of all that gunk there was some money stuck in there. So it took me a little while to take off all that, and I do tell my customers that they can take all the personal items out of the car before they drop it off, but I think this was a little bit hard for the customer. So what I do, if I find any money or any personal items, I just take it and put it in a little bag, and I tell the customer after the detail that the bag is in the trunk or on the floor in the front passenger side. They can go through it and sort it out. As I was working in this back area, and I thought, is the dog pink color or a red color dog, because the fur is actually pink color. But anyhow, the tool is working again, and this area usually manufacturers give very cheap carpet, but Mercedes did a good job. And again, I'm using the tool over here. This pet tool removed all the hair in less than 5 minutes. And guys, I use the same method. I use a steamer and the APC on this area, and these back carpets were back to brand new. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I give some tips and tricks on how to do detailing as I learned them myself. So guys, make sure to like and comment below. If you're wondering what kind of extractor do I use for my carpet shampoo, I built an extractor using a rigid vacuum cleaner, and this gets the job done really well. If you watch this video, all the links to the tools and the accessories that you need are in the description of the video. I did watch a video from Hawaii Detailing. He explained how to do it, and I did the exact same thing, and this works really well. If there is one tool that I use most in all my details is this steamer. I don't know, I cannot say enough about this steamer because this steamer actually goes through all the grime and all the dirt, especially when I use it on leather seats. It makes my job really fast. I don't have to use so much elbow grease because if I sit there and detail all these leather seats without a steamer, it will be longer. But this actually makes the job really easy. So if you are a detailer or you like to do really deep clean work in your house or in your cars, make sure to get a steamer, and this will make your job really fast. After cleaning all the leather seats and the interior plastics and the door panels with steam and APC, now is the time that I apply leather conditioner to all the leather, and then I apply Aerospace 303 to all the plastics. This gives a UV protection and it gives that matte finish, that is that deep matte finish to the plastic. It looks like brand new. So guys, if you enjoyed the detail and you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Just like always, thanks for watching, and I will definitely see you on the next one.